I will show you how to set up a local WordPress development environment, as well as testing instructions, how to test a patch from a WordPress track ticket. So the first thing I need to do, I need to then open terminal. You see it already opened it by going to applications, utilities, and here we have terminal. I need to paste in code here to install Homebrew. I will click enter. I need to insert my password. Click enter. And it will start to install some scripts here. So it says again here, I need to press return or enter to continue. And this will then download and install Homebrew. And this is what we will use to set up the local WordPress development environment. Okay, so we have that in place. You might have a prompt saying that you need to download the Xcode command line tools. If so, just confirm by clicking the yes. So we will install Git. And this is command for that. So Homebrew is then installing Git. And the next phase after this is that I need to then download Docker. And one way to download Docker is going to the website. Going to the docker.com products Docker desktop. And here I will just click download for Mac. As I already done that, I have also taken it out from the downloads folder. I'll just double click Docker and it will then start, as you see, opening it up. You just drag and drop it into applications. Okay, so we can close this. And Docker has now been installed. So I have then pasted in the command brew install node and I'll press enter. We're back at the prompt. Node has been installed. I'll just open up Docker. Click yes to open, or click open. Click OK. I need to insert my password. And we can see up here, it's starting up. We now need to go to the GitHub repository. So we're going to WordPress, WordPress develop. And under the green button here, we will select the HTTPS and copy this link. Okay, so we're in Docker. I will just skip the tutorial. And I will just press the red button to close it. We see it open here. So back in terminal, I need to write git clone and paste in the link. So here it says WordPress/WordPress develop.get. Pressing enter. And this is now downloading or cloning the WordPress develop repository. It took maybe 5 minutes to download the whole repository. We're now back at the prompt. I need to now go into the folder WordPress develop. To do so, I write cd WordPress develop. It will then change from the root folder, which I'm in right now, to the WordPress develop folder. So as you see, I will switch to the WordPress develop folder. In here, I'm gonna paste some commands. We need to first do a npm install. It installed. And the next part is running the build. npm run build dev. Next part is starting up the development site. npm run environment start. So next step is to run the environment install. It will then create the website. Okay, so we should have now a website in place. And to find that out, we need to go to localhost. 88889. And we see that in place here. So we need to write admin, password, and login. So we now have a local WordPress development environment in place under localhost 8889.